Hi everyone, welcome to my backyard. You're watching Indian Cooking with Suganthi. Today we are not going to do any cooking. We are going to do some juicing, healthy juicing. And I have a lot of vegetables, greens and some herbs and fruits, and we're going to do juicing. And you can be creative and you don't have to use everything that I'm going to show today. You can use whatever ingredients that's available. You can make juice with that and be healthy. Okay, so let's see the ingredients I'm going to use today in my juicing. It's about 29 carrots. I just cleaned it, washed it, just scraped the skin and cut the edges. And I have 2 peeled apples, all organic. And I have 1 beet here, beetroot, and lots of greens. I have baby kale here. You can use any greens that's available. And I have some red cabbage. This is loaded with health benefits, vitamins and a lot of minerals that you need for your healthy body. And I have here the beet leaves I'm going to use for the juicing. About 3 inches of turmeric and about 4 or 5 garlic peeled. And this is 2 inches of ginger peeled. Always peel the ginger because the skin has a bitter taste to it. These 3 herbs are very good for your health. For example, garlic, that's the best herb on earth. Turmeric, antibacterial, anti-cancerous, and it's very good for reducing inflammation. And ginger, antibacterial, and it's very good for digestion. Do not use too much on your daily diet. And for me, the garlic, I use about 1 garlic per 1 cup of juice or 1 cup of smoothie. And ginger, I use about just half an inch of ginger in 1 cup of juice or 1 cup of smoothie. And 1 inch of turmeric for 1 cup of juice. Read about it, and you don't have to take my word for it. You read. I add garlic to my juice and smoothie because I know eating garlic, fresh garlic, it's very good for your health, but it's not that easy to eat raw garlic. So this way, by juicing it and by adding it to the smoothie, I take my fresh garlic dose. And here I have chia seeds. So this is about 2 to 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. I soaked in water about 3 to 4 hours. The seeds dry, and when you soak it in water, it swells. It swells and it rises up and it becomes like a jello. So I'm going to add soaked chia seeds in my juice, and I add them to the smoothies I make also. Let's do the juicing now. And this juicer, it's may not be very fast. The rotation is a little bit slower, so it doesn't heat the juice. So let's start with the carrot. Let me turn it on. Healthy juicing and eating healthy, it's all good for your health. And also, not just eating, it's going to keep you healthy. It's also helps how you think and how you face life. Always be positive. I teach my children always never give up and always think of happy things. Forget about any bad situations. Think positive and be happy. That keeps you healthy. So not just healthy drinking and healthy eating is not going to keep you healthy. Be happy and think positive and try to be among positive thinking people. That helps too. And if you happen to hear anything negative, just ignore them and just move on. I know there are a lot of negativity among people, and people could say some things, some words that could hurt you. If you don't take it, it's going to stay with the person who says it. Just remember the good moments. Don't just worry. Worry is not going to help you. It's not going to take you anywhere. It's going to make you sick. It's not healthy. So this is about 2 cups into my glass. I'm going to add some apples. When I do the juicing and smoothie, I add the seeds and everything. They say seeds has cyanide in it, it's going to kill you. If you don't want to add seeds, don't do it. For some people, maybe it's not good. But I've been eating it, didn't do anything to me. It doesn't mean that it's safe for everybody. So if you don't want to eat seeds, don't put the seeds. Turmeric. Beetroot. Some people make juice with just beetroot. Beet juice is a little bit strong, so I always add it with carrot. It's a little bit thick. Add the ginger to it. Like I said, herbs, don't put too much. I'm adding 2 inches of ginger for about 4 cups of juice, and this is about 4 cloves of garlic. And if you want to reduce, you can do that. But too much garlic will burn your stomach. Greens. I'm going to use the small side. It's very hard for me to eat salad, fresh salad. So I do like this. I juice them and I make smoothie with them. So that way I have my daily doses of greens. Sometimes I make juice just with apple and carrots and turmeric, and sometimes I make with just carrot and some greens and ginger and turmeric. Actually, I use more greens, different varieties of greens, but today I'm not showing everything. This red cabbage, it has some hard texture. It's not like the white cabbage, which is a bit softer. So this is some beet leaves. I would like to saute the beet leaves. This is my favorite greens. I just saute it with some garlic and some onion. It's very tasty. So today I don't have that much to cook, so I'm juicing them. Something's done. I'm gonna this carrot, just clean up everything. This is getting full, so let me transfer this. See that one beet has changed the color. About 29 medium-sized carrots, and 1 beetroot and 2 apples, and about a handful of greens and beetroot leaves, and about 5-6 layers of red cabbage, and I had about 3 inches of turmeric and 2 inches of ginger and about 4 cloves of garlic. So that's what went into the juice. My husband Arvind, he's going to do the tasting for us. And I'm going to add some chia seeds.
Okay, thank you. Wow, this is extremely tasty and refreshing. None of the ingredients seems to be very overpowering, so I don't even.
You didn't feel the
no, I don't.
ginger, garlic?
Not one bit.
Yeah.
I suppose you'd not be able to buy something like this in a store. This is very good. After a day's work, you come back and have a glass of this. You don't need a cup of coffee.
Thanks for tasting. Hope you like the show. Thank you for watching. And I'll be back soon with another interesting and healthy, delicious recipe. Take care, and I'll be seeing you soon.